Hi guys, in this video I will be sharing with you 7 ways that helped me land my first 2 clients in first week of implementing these strategies and how exactly you can do it. So if you are a coach, service provider, someone like who is just getting started but don't want to invest in ads, is not very active on social media or you don't have like big followings. So if you are at this situation still confused क्या करना चाहिए, कैसे करना चाहिए, so this video is definitely going to help you a lot. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Here's a quick disclaimer. Having a good and active social media profile definitely helps. It acts as a business card today. People can check your vibe, your energy, your expertise. But today we are going to learn that it's not necessary when you are just getting started. And by the end of this video, you will exactly know how to sign your first client even if you have 0 followers. Strategy number 1, your phone contacts. Very simple. Just go to your phone, check out your contacts, your friends, family members, someone you know, your previous clients, job that you are working with, your colleagues, anyone. Just to craft a simple message. This is my message that I crafted when I get started. And I just send it to everyone I know who could be my potential client or who could be someone जिसको जरूरत हो सकती है इस particular service की. So after sending this, like within first week, I closed 2 clients, and this is how powerful this strategy is. Now, strategy number 2 is direct outreach. So here you can choose any of the platform, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. So personally, what I did is when I get started, मैंने अपनी profile को थोड़ा optimize किया for the offer that I'm offering to my clients. And I created this outreach message and started sending to all the people that I know or all the people from my niche list that I created. Like these are the people that I have to outreach. And within like 3 weeks of outreach, I started getting sales call, people showing interest. I was getting accepted, I was getting rejected for the messages that I was sending out. But this helped me in validating my offer. This helped me in building some relationship. And with this direct outreach, like after 1 month, like I started getting into a flow where I was getting like 1 to 3 sales calls booking on an average daily. And that's where I started closing clients from LinkedIn as well. Strategy number 3 is reviews and testimonial. And this is a like very, very important thing because whenever you get on a sales call with the people, everybody asks for social proof. They ask you for the testimonial. They ask you show something that you have worked with in the past for any of the clients. But if you don't have, then definitely sales call goes into a different direction. Now, how exactly you can avoid it? Like if you are getting started, just go to people and tell them like, hey, I can give you a 1 week of free trial, 2 week of free trial, or a 1 month of free trial. And in return, you can give me a honest testimonial. And if you are confident enough, if you are serving good, if you are delivering them the best result, definitely this client testimonial will turn into a positive testimonial. And these prospects or the people that you're working with right now may convert into client as well. But your goal is to collect a testimonial or a honest feedback from them. And that's where your journey of collecting testimonial will act as a good social proof for your other or future prospects or clients. Strategy number 4 is offline events. I love networking events. Whenever something is happening in my city, advance may I do the bookings, and I try not to miss that particular event because I love to meet real humans having a real conversation and building some real relationship. Building trust and relationship in offline events is like very, very easy, and they're like hard. They're like mostly chances are there that you can easily crack a deal when you are going for an offline event. So if you're not into that habit of going to offline event, I think you should try it. Strategy number 5 is hosting free webinars and live. You can find a lot of available communities or forums online. Just go and post on all the public communities and forums that you are going to do a free workshop or you're going to get live. And this is a topic that you are going to discuss. And all the people from that relatable niche will start getting into registration. Your goal is not to get like maximum registration, like 1,000 registration, 2,000 registration, but your goal is to get started with the webinar and lives. So people will get to know about your vibe, your energy, your experience, what kind of stuff you teach, how exactly you do it. And some potential clients will get aware of you. They might be a good lead for you in future. And some people will directly like respond to you if they like what exactly you are doing. And definitely you can have a deal with these kind of prospect as well. Point number 6 is referrals and partnerships. So मैंने काफी सारी partnerships की हुई हैं with people who are into indirect competition, like people who are into sales, people who are into like copywriting, designing, website creation. And these people are working in this industry for like more than 2, 3, 5, 10 years, and they have a good customer base. I asked them like, hey, if you can just ask your clients or prospects that you're working with if they need some meta services, and if you are referring them to me and I close this client, I will give you some commission. And luckily, this is working good for me because whenever somebody is coming through a referral, I hardly get any objection and deal is very easy to close. Now, the last and seventh strategy is all about volume. So, if you are into webinars or if you are into sales, if you are into outreach, if one thing is not working, do it 10 times, 20 times, or 100 times. Ek webinar se if you are not getting like good number of calendar bookings, do it like every week. One message will not get you 10 clients. So, start sending 200 messages, 300 messages, and optimize your calendar and timing accordingly. Start going to networking events. It's all about the volume. The more you will put yourself out there, the more chances you will start to create for the people to say yes. So there you have it, all the 7 ways to grow your coaching or service business without relying on ads or without having a big social media following. So let's conclude what we discussed in the video is go to your phone contacts, do cold outreach on social media, collect reviews and testimonials, go for the offline events, do partnerships, do free workshops and lives, and finally do everything in volume. And trust me, if you just follow one or two strategies from all the strategies that we have discussed, clients will come. And that's all for this video. If you like this video, just like, share, and subscribe. Comment box is open if you want to share something, and see you in the next video.